Hello and a very warm welcome to you. This is English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I am Lovely and I am happy you are here with us today. Sometimes we need to take a break from studying new words. We need to think about how we live our lives. Today, we will talk about something very simple but very important: how moving your body helps your mind. We will talk about exercise. Please stay with me until the end. We are talking about making your thinking clearer and making your feelings happier. It is a wonderful topic. We often think about exercise only for our bodies, to be strong, to be fast, but movement is perhaps more powerful for our minds. Movement changes how you feel, how you think, and how much energy you have. Imagine you feel slow, you feel tired, perhaps you worry too much about work, about your language practice, or about the news. Your head feels full of heavy thoughts. When we sit still for a long time, these thoughts can stay and grow big. When you start to move, even just a little, the worry starts to get smaller. Why? Your body is amazing. When you exercise, when you walk or dance or move your arms, your body makes special chemicals. We call these happy chemicals. These happy chemicals go straight to your brain. They are like small, warm sunshine lights for your mind. They tell your mind, be happy, relax. These chemicals help fight the feelings of sadness or worry. They make your mood lift up. A simple, fast walk for 10 minutes is a powerful exercise. You do not need a big gym. You only need to move. You feel better, you feel lighter, and your heavy thoughts start to go away. Now, let's talk about your energy and your thinking. This is another important part of the mind. Sometimes we think, I am too tired to exercise. I need to save my energy. This is a mistake. When you use your energy in a small way, you get much more energy back. Movement does not take energy, it creates energy. Movement wakes up your whole system. It wakes up your body and it wakes up your mind. When your body is warm and moving, the mind suddenly feels clearer. Think about sitting and studying English. Sometimes the new words do not stick in your brain. You feel slow. Try this. Stop studying, move your body for 15 minutes, walk around the park. When you come back to your English book, you will see a change. Your mind will be ready to focus. Your thinking becomes sharp. You learn faster. And there is one more big benefit: better sleep. Exercise helps you use energy during the day. When night comes, your body and your mind are truly ready to rest. Good sleep means a fresh start the next day. If you sleep well, your thoughts are calmer, and you have the patience to practice new skills. So, remember the simple message for today. Exercise is food for your mind. You do not need to train hard every day. You just need to move your body every day. If you feel tired, move. If you worry, move. If you want to think clearly, move. A little movement is a big kindness to your mind. Start small. Try standing up every hour. Try walking around the building. Do a little stretching before sleep. Moving your body is an act of care. We are so pleased you spent this time with us today, thinking about your wonderful body and your brilliant mind. Take good care of yourself, and please come back soon. Goodbye for now.